Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to run diagnostics on your ThinkPad X1. To run diagnostics, first shut your laptop down. So I'm gonna do exactly that. Now once it is shut down, wait for additional half a minute to make sure it's fully off. And once you're sure about that, just press on the power button and try pressing on enter key repeatedly. Immediately after releasing the power button, start repeatedly pressing on enter key on your keyboard until a menu shows up on your screen. If this didn't work, then instead of shutting it down through the system, try shutting it down forcefully by pressing and holding on the power button for long enough that the light on the power button itself goes off, and then wait for half a minute, press on the power button and try repeatedly pressing on enter key. If it still doesn't work, then I'm gonna show you a different key that you can use. Okay, now I have 15 seconds to select what do I want to do, and I wanted to click on F10 to diagnose the hardware. So if the enter key didn't work for you, try from the very beginning clicking on F10 on your keyboard. Now I'm in the Diagnostics UEFI. You can, I think, use your mouse or whatever just to select what do you want to actually diagnose. There are quite a few things that you can. I think I'm gonna diagnose like maybe my memory. I don't know how long it'll take. You can see quick as well as extended tests, and you can also scroll down. I don't think you can drag it, but I'm pretty sure you can just click on these arrows here. But I'm just gonna do the quick test because I don't want it to take too long. And now you can see it's being done. And I think it says it'll take 5 minutes. I don't know if I want to wait that long, but if you want to stop the test, then just simply click on escape on your keyboard. It even shows you there in the stop tests. So I think that's what I'm gonna do because I don't want to wait that long, but after that you'll see your results. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.